Hello and welcome to MathMedics. Simplification of fractions. To simplify or reduce a fraction means to get a lower term or a simpler form of that fraction. And to do that, you need to divide both the top and the bottom number of that fraction by a common divisor, a common factor, a number that both the numerator and the denominator will accept division by. Here's an example. We need to simplify this fraction, 12 over 15. So we're going to look at the common divisor, the number that both 12 and 15 will accept division by, and that number is 3. So 12 into 3 is 4 and 15 into 3 is 5. So this is my simplified form of this fraction. Well, it's important to realize that the numbers of simplified forms I could get from any fraction depends on the number of common divisors. If I have 2 common divisors, I will end up with 2 simplified form, 3 common divisors, 3 simplified form, and so on and so forth. If I do not have any common divisors, that means I wouldn't be able to simplify the fraction. Here is another example. I would like to simplify this fraction, 4 over 16. So first of all, I'm going to look for the common divisors for both 4 and 16, and these are 2 and 4. Now, as long as I have 2 common divisors, that means I will end up with 2 lower terms or simplified forms for 4 over 16. So first of all, I'm going to take the 2, divide both the top and the bottom by 2. I'm going to end up with 2 over 8. The second time I'm going to go with the 4, so 4 over 16, both by 4, I'm going to end up with 1 over 4. Finally, to simplify any fraction to the lowest term, the simplest possible form, we're going to divide by the highest common factor, which is the largest common divisor. Let's look at this example. Simplify to the lowest term the fraction 8 over 24. So first of all, let's list our common divisors for 8 and 24. And these are 2, 4, and 8 itself. Now, to simplify to the lowest term, we're going to go with the highest common factor or the highest common divisor, which is 8 in this case. So 8 over 24, both the top and the bottom by 8 by 8, I'm going to end up with 1 over 3, and that is my lowest term, my simplest form of the fraction 8 over 24.